Okay, so little Andreas and I are out here in the garden. He's gonna help me do some things. All right, say hi to Mumsy.
Hi, Mumsy.
All right, so here's the garden. Look at the blueberries. So little Andreas, these are blueberries. This is gonna be a blueberry tree right here, a bush right here. See right there?
Which one?
This whole thing, those are gonna be blueberries. Don't touch them. So then there's another one up front down there. So let me show you the trees over here. Let me move these plant seeds because we're gonna plant some seeds. Some Swiss chard growing out the ground there. This is Swiss chard right here. See this tree right here? This is gonna have a bunch of different fruits on it, peaches and whatnot. And these are cherry trees right here. Okay, it's got some cabbage there, some salad, all kind of things growing. Say, see you later, Mumsy.
See you later.
Look at the camera.
See you later, Mumsy.
Love you.
Love you too.